Hello everyone, welcome back to Halo 21. We're gonna be playing some Reach today. Matchmaking. No. Start game, we're gonna be playing some Team Slayer. So, hopefully we won't get, crushed like the last few days. By crushed, I mean like abandoned. That's what I mean. I don't care if we lose. I just want to get some points, some gamer swag, you know. I mean, it shows that I'm like human, and I like lose matches. Like everyone loses, dude. It's not like I have to win all the time, which is why I usually do these in one take. But oh well. Alright, so we got some people. I'm gonna clip from when we get everyone. What in tarnation we were put in the weirdest. Oh, there's 5 of us. Bulky, Grady, Odinhammer, Unsought, and me. Yes, Zealot, please. Be stupid. Stupid map. Yay. Well, I mean, it's not stupid. It's just, I don't think people really like it. Okay, so 3 of us versus 2 of them. They are ranked higher, so normally this would be balanced, but we don't know. Just gonna have to wait and see, since we do have numbers. One of their dudes just left. Seriously, dude, if it takes too long to get in the match, just play it. I don't know. Jetpack is not good for this map, but I don't care. Most of it is, and I'm just stupid. Oh, no, this is a lot bigger than last time. Okay, never mind, it's slightly okay. No, it just feels bigger, because I'm not playing G. You know, because G is literally the only game type I play on this map. Just to be dumb. Can I see them? I'm not even gonna try. Get away from me. 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 Hey. Let's go. That scared me. I was like, he's gonna get me. Not today. Come here, nerd. Come here, nerd. Come here, nerd. Oh, dude, really? Sweet. Rule of advice. Yes. Oh, man. Things are pretty cool. For Halo Infinite, I always wondered what the armor customization is gonna be. And I've looked at some of the new helmets, and I gotta say, Halo 4 had better helmets than this. I'm not even joking. I actually prefer the Halo 4 helmets now. It's been that weird. I don't hate them. They just don't look like they've been like, and I know like a lot of people say this about these helmets. They don't look like a human would wear them. They look like a robot, which I'm fine with that. Like, you know, a lot of people usually accept robots being in the Halo lore as like things now, even though that never really was a thing. It's just kind of headcanon people have. Same with like red versus blue, like actually being a thing in Halo universe, even though it's not. And Lopez is a robot, and we got like cyborgs and stuff. I think cyborgs are actually canon though, like ever since the first game. Unless if that was just a joke for the first level title. It's probably just a joke, but who cares? Please kill one of them. Aw, dang. Armor lock me like. I want there to be like a heated debate between somebody arguing over the jetpack and the armor lock. I'm gonna kill myself in the process. I was like, I just threw a grenade to my side. I am going to die, but no. No, I did not. Proves how gamer I am. I'm kidding. Like, seriously. Like, jetpack's good for mobility. It just depends on, like, what kind of game mode you're playing. Like this is trash. No, no, stay away from me. Stay away from me. No, why? They both have the armor effect on them. I don't like that. You're a nerd. That's what I thought. Got 11K CR for that. I almost said KR. I need to stop playing Crunker.io. Like that makes me sad. Especially FFA. Like free for all Crunker is just, oh no. Free for all Crunker is like the weirdest thing ever. For all you like classic Halo fans who played back in 2007, you probably don't know what Crunker is. Unless if you're like a normal person who understands first-person shooters in modern day. It's not bad. It's just not good. Because there's the argument between what's better, a sniper or a shotgun. Personally, they're both the same because they don't do the same amount of damage, but in all actuality they should. Because get a shotgun, just get in front of your enemy, shoot them. Sniper, you have a little bit of range. It doesn't matter. Like shotgun, you have to be able to get to the enemy without like you know, dying. Something that a sniper doesn't really have to worry about, which it's like, but then the sniper has to deal with the fact that, oh, I'm further away from them, so it's gonna be harder to hit them. Literally, they both require the same amount of effort to play, and I don't know why people continue to argue about this. I don't know if this was like with all games, because again, I am actually very new to the shooter community in general. Oh god. I'm switching for armor lock, that's it. I don't care. I'm probably gonna die from this decision. Who cares? Don't screw you. Run away. Where are you? I am the funny. I've come to steal your meme. I pressed armor lock the second he did that. That is lame. That is lame. Nope, get back here. You're gonna die now. Gonna die now. Go ahead. Boom. That's what I thought. I just got active camo. I don't know why I did that. Give me active camo. Just come over to me. I don't really like active camo. I never really used it for a whole lot. Oh yeah, well my radar's screwed up, so I'm not gonna really try. Hello? Friend? Nobody? Come on, dude. That's it, come down here. Come fight me. That's right. You can't. Because you're a nerd. You're a nerd. I'm kidding. Here. Oh god. He's over here now. What? No. No. That's stupid. I always hated that where they just immediately like disengage their armor lock and just freaking bash you. It's so stupid. Oh no. Hello? Friend? Oh, no, you should be dead. I did enough damage to your shield. That is bullcrap. Die. Die. You moron. You utter buffoon. Oh, God. Get me out of active camo. I don't want that anymore. Dear Lord. Give me something normal. Plasma repeaters are pretty weird. That's right. That's what you get. Wait. Oh, what? What? Did he kill me from... Did he just pummel me at the same time? Alright. Oh, that's right, get denied. Are you kidding me? Dude. I mean, it goes to show their rank, but gee. This is obnoxious. Imagine there are 5 of these guys. I'm just stupid, I'm getting out in open fire, which is probably why we're losing. I need to stop doing that. Oh god. Come down here. That's right. Oh boy. Alright. That's some Halo 2 physics right there. I have genetics going back to the Halo 2 battle days with the energy sword and the lunge. CQC? Okay. CQC. Oh god. Oh, I tried. I pressed the button. It didn't work. This sucks. Please, bro. What? Are you kidding me? This sucks. Okay. Nah, just go for accuracy. Come on. Come over here. You know you want that booty. No, he's over here. That's what I thought. Alright, guys, help. Guys, help. Please.
1 minute remaining.
I'm so scared. There he is. No, you should be dead. Oh my god, how? Why? Dude. That's crap. Please, no. Oh my god.
30 seconds remaining.
I can't take this. I can't take this. Die already. Die. No. Oh my god. Dude, are you kidding me? I'm going to freaking cry. No, you're not getting me. You're not getting me. I don't care. You're not getting me. Match is over. Match is over. We tied. What? They won? Oh my god. Alright, cool. I guess that's today. Jeez. Alright, whatever. So, see you later, and goodbye.